How it's going?
Everything is going fantastic. Tell about you.
I'm also good. And now it's 7 p.m. in Bangladesh time. So now we'll just end up the session after 15 or 20 minutes. So we can have long time conversations now because I have to take classes now. Okay. So it
Okay.
just won't be a short conversation, but don't worry, I'll just cover all the topics here. Okay, so first of all, as we're meeting at the first time, could you please introduce yourself?
Of course, why not? This is Satya from India. I am an English teacher. I teach English in my institute. I have offline institute in my district, and I am fond of watching movies. And I did graduation. Now I am doing master in English, and this is my short introduction in front of you.
Thank you very much for giving your introduction. Now I'm willing to give my introduction. So I'm Salman Mashi. I'm from Bangladesh. If you tell about my qualification, I'm just in class 7 in a Bengali medium school as a Bengali medium student. And if you tell about my skills that I'm developing my skills, English language, British and American accent. And also I'm learning Spanish a little bit. And just wait a minute, Adhan is going on. If Adhan started, then we can have conversation. Okay, just wait a minute. Um, just sometimes sometimes on go on. So we'll start continuing conversation. So as I'm telling that I'm interested in neuroscience and I'm improving my skills in accent. And by those skills, I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos and my people how to learn English at the beginning without grammar and without learning in with courses and classes just like I did and without reading in English medium school, but those are also for English medium students who can develop their English skills. Especially my channel are for basic and intermediate and advanced for intermediate people. But you know, it's not very basic, so I suggest if you are in intermediate, visit my channel. Okay, that's all about myself, and just like that, I've extracurricular activities like of a child artist and anchor, reciter, these types of things I did. I'm also good at pretty at drawing. Also, just start the conversation I was telling about. So, when did you start your English journey, and what did you face in your English journey?
When did I start my English journey?
Yep.
Okay. It has been 3 years when I started my English journey. When I started teaching, at that time, I only taught English grammar. But before 5 to 6 months, I have been teaching English spoken also in my coaching. So, as you said, you are from Bangladesh.
Yep.
So, what is your native language?
Bengali, obviously.
Bengali. I think in Bengal, in my country, there is a state, Bengal. Do you know Bengal?
No.
In India, Bengal. I think Bangladesh is separated from Bengal.
Oh, West Bengal.
West Bengal, yeah. Mamta Banerjee is the CM of West Bengal.
Well, so actually, where are you from? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or you're from West Bengal? Which state are you from?
I'm from Bihar, Patna. Do you know Patna?
I don't know about India very much. Oh, you're from Bihar. I know Bihar because I've met many people in there. They have conversation. Actually, you studied your English journey. How did you study your English journey? Do you take any courses or classes, or do you read in English medium school before? Because you're a teacher. Before, do you read in English medium school or in Bengali or Hindi medium school? Honestly, what did you read?
Uh, I don't used to study in English medium school. I was reading in Hindi medium school. You don't know Hindi is the language, so I was also reading in Hindi medium school. And that time my English was so poor. But after 12th class, I started learning English. And, from that time, I was comfortable in English.
Wow, it's great.
Okay.
And you teach many students, right? You are
Yeah.
an English teacher, right? So, in which way they feel comfortable more of learning English?
Okay. I think the best and perfect way is learning English is practice. Because I took many classes when I started learning, but I didn't get any improvement in me. So I think for learning English, for speaking English, practice one by one session is most essential for us.
Yep, just practice is important. And another thing you say that you're fond of watching movies. Is
Hmm.
movies help you to learn English?
Yes, of course. Movies are also very beneficial for learning English. And podcast, English speech, a story.
You learned English movies. Please name some movies of English movies that could help everyone to improve their English.
Yes, English movie name. Do you want to listen English movie name?
Yep.
One Bollywood movie. Do you know Bollywood?
Yep, I know it.
There are also many movies which are available on YouTube in English. Bollywood movies I'm talking about, just like Dhadkan, Rishte. There are many names. When we
Um,
search on it,
I'm actually talking about English movies that are great for learners to listen and learn English at the same time. Could you please
hmm,
name those movies? I'm not talking about different storytelling. Also, it matters. I do take English vocabulary. So, could you name of this?
yeah. So, how did you learn English?
Um,
I
I
want.
I just have a question for you. After you answer this question, then you can ask question to me. So I just want to ask you that what will help you to learn English, right? That I
Mhm.
asked you. Name the movies that helps you to learn English. Did you understand?
Okay, man. Uh, I told you Dhadkan movie. I learned English from Dhadkan movie. The name of the movie is Dhadkan.
Is it English?
Is it Bolly? It is Bollywood movie, but it is translated in English.
Uh-huh, I gotcha. But I have amazing English recommendations, which is non-translated, but it's
Hmm.
translated in other language. But I such highly recommend those movies. It's Frozen, Zootopia, Moana, and it's kind of what they call Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Yeah, I know.
Really, really fantastic. And other Disney series you could say, but I personally love Harry Potter and
Hmm.
Zootopia because in Zootopia there is great, great motivational songs that you heard,
Hmm.
like Try Everything by Shakira. There are more songs you can listen. Also, they talk about type of a rabbit who just overcome challenges, and I love
Hmm.
Zootopia And
Mm.
another thing is Kung Fu Panda. This is also from English movies. So guys, or you were watching, you're just having conversation with me. I want you everyone to tell the movies they need, because without listening, you couldn't apply. If you listen, you apply. Otherwise, you couldn't apply. Because I was just telling you, do you speak Korean?
Mm.
Do you speak
Yes.
Korean, right?
Yes. Repeat.
You speak Korean or not?
I don't
Okay,
get it.
I'll just simplify this question. How many languages do you speak?
How many languages? Okay, I can speak Hindi, English, and some regional language which are spoken in my areas. Just like Maghi is also language. Hindi, English, and some two or three regional languages.
Uh-huh. So, do you speak Japanese?
No, I can't.
You don't speak Japanese. Have you ever listened to Japanese? Ever?
Mhm. No, no, I have never listened.
If you don't listen, you couldn't get.
Yeah.
Um, do you listen to Hindi and you speak Hindi?
Of course, I am comfortable in it.
Definitely, I say you. Those are watching and you're having conversation with me. I wanted to tell you, if you don't listen, nothing matters. If you listen, it matters. Because many
Yeah.
people tell what's your secret behind your
Hmm.
pronunciation. The secret behind my pronunciation is like many people watch in case of Indian, there is a problem in case of pronunciation, is their mindset and the source they're listening to. Their first mindset is they're not able to speak like native speakers because I'm not a native speaker. In case of UK, US. The
Hmm.
second mindset is if I could speak like them. Third mindset is how it's possible to just listen and capture. These are
Hmm.
the mindset wrong things they did. Another thing they did is actually um,
Hmm.
they focus on listening type of